Hey there, FPV enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the coolest gadgets on the market. Today, we're diving into the BetaFPV Cetus X FPV kit, one of the best ready-to-fly FPV kits out there. I recently got my hands on this top-of-the-range model, and I can't wait to share my thoughts with you. The BetaFPV Cetus X FPV kit is the cream of the crop in the Cetus lineup, designed to bring joy to both beginners and experienced pilots. It's a complete FPV kit that comes with everything you need to take to the skies and experience the thrill of flying. Inside the kit, you'll find the Cetus X brushless quadcopter with propeller guards, a light Radio 3 transmitter, VR03 FPV goggles, 4 batteries, a USB battery charger or battery voltage tester, spare propellers, a propeller removal tool, a USB-C adapter for firmware updates, and a convenient carry case. And if you need more batteries, you can purchase them separately. The Cetus X is a micro-whoop drone, compact and lightweight, perfect for indoor and outdoor flights. It features an adjustable FPV camera that you can set at different angles to match your flight style. The frame is robust, built to withstand impacts, and repairs are a breeze since spare parts are affordable and no electronics knowledge is required. The included VR03 FPV goggles are beginner-friendly, offering an 800 by 480 pixel resolution with built-in DVR for recording your flights. The analog video transmission can be set between 25 mW and 350 mW. But be sure to check local radio laws before increasing the power. The goggles have around 1 to 2 hours of battery life, depending on whether you're recording or not. The Cetus X comes with 3 flight modes: normal, sport, and manual. Normal mode is great for beginners, offering basic safety features like hovering, position holding, and automatic landing on low battery. Sport mode offers more control, and manual mode is the most challenging, allowing you to perform freestyle tricks. Learning to fly in manual mode can be tricky, but it's the most thrilling experience. Whether you're new to FPV or an experienced pilot, the BetaFPV Cetus X FPV kit has something for everyone. If you're a beginner, this ready-to-fly kit is perfect as it includes all the essentials. For experienced pilots, the Cetus X is a blast to fly, and you can purchase the drone separately if you already have compatible goggles and a transmitter. In conclusion, the BetaFPV Cetus X FPV kit is a fantastic option for anyone looking to dive into the world of FPV. It's powerful, easy to fly, and the spare parts are budget-friendly. With its adjustable FPV camera, versatile flight modes, and immersive experience through the VR03 goggles, you're in for a thrilling adventure with this kit. That's it for today's review of the BetaFPV Cetus X FPV kit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried FPV drones before or if you have any other products you'd like us to review. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off. Happy flying!